Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Artroom on your PC. Artroom is an AI art generation software that works somewhat similar to stuff like Invoke AI or Automatic 111. It is meant to be easier to use. The UI, in my opinion, is preferable to what Automatic has, and it's also very actively in development. There are a lot of ways that is currently being worked on to make it easier for a user who doesn't already know everything about AI art to use it. Feature-wise, it does support most stuff, so it supports all of the base models. It does support SDXL now, and you can use LoRa's with it, so most of the things you want to do, it can do. Now, to get Artroom, you simply go to artroom.ai, click on Start Creating, and as you can see, there is a pricing page here. Now, if you can, and you have a PC that is powerful enough, you can simply use the local version and do everything I'm going to show you in this tutorial series. If your PC is a little bit anemic, it has not the best GPU in it, or no GPU at all, or you are not on Windows, which might also be the case, because currently Artroom is only available on Windows. Mac support is currently being worked on, and Linux support will probably be in the future. You can use the online generation. Online generation works just the same as local, so anything I'm showing you and how to do in local, you can do in the online version as well. So for now, we'll just click on download, and it will download the file. And once we have it, we can start it up. Just a quick note, Artroom does support both NVIDIA and AMD graphics card by now, so you can actually use it with either of the two. Simply select your installation folder. And this installation might take a while. It is downloading roughly 13 gigabytes of data from the internet. So don't worry, it hasn't crashed, just let it run. Now for me, this was very fast. Main reason being I had already previously downloaded the beta version of the software. So I did not have to download the 13 gigabytes in the background. So for you, this might take a little bit longer. Just let it do its thing. It will finish eventually. And then when you start it up, it should hopefully come with a command window that automatically detects what kind of graphic cards you have. So in many other systems, you have to worry and select the right stuff at the beginning. Here, Artroom should take that over for you. I would say if you have a GeForce GTX 970 is probably the weakest card I've seen people competently make AI art with. I have no idea where we are at on AMD. I think if it is a somewhat modernish graphics card, it should work fairly well by now. We've actually gotten quite a lot out of it. And with that, your installation is done and you could begin making images. How that works, we'll get to in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.